Yes, we are starting. We are going to start with a new chapter, that is national symbols. Now, as we all know, these are the patriotic symbols which remind us of our nation and its culture. And we should respect our national symbols. We should give values, and we should have goals for this our national symbols. Now we are talking about our national flag, the symbol of freedom. It is a symbol of freedom. The national flag is a symbol of freedom. It is also called tricolored or tiranga, and it was first hoisted at Red Fort on 15th August 1947. It is a symbol of freedom because it was first hoisted on 15th August 1947 at Red Fort when India became free from British rule. Also, it marks the beginning of a new era. Now we are going to talk about the national the three colors of our national flag. There are three colors in our national flag. The first is saffron. The topmost stripe in our flag is of saffron, which stands for courage and sacrifice. And in the middle, that is white color, represents truth and peace. The third color, that is green, that stands for prosperity. And in the middle of the middle stripe, there is a dharm chakra, or we call it ashoka chakra, which is in the middle of the white stripe. And it has 24 spokes, and it stands for progress. Now the next is when we hoist our flag. What should be the rules when the flag is hoisted? It is the saffron color should be on the top when we hoist the flag. We should handle the national flag with respect. While hoisting the national flag, we should stand in an attention position, as it is a token of respect. The flag which is hoisted must be neat and clean, and it should not be torn. And the last rule for hoisting the national flag is that the flag should be hoisted from sunrise to sunset. Now we are going to talk about the next national symbol, that is national anthem. Yes, we all know our national anthem is Jan Gan Man, and it was written by a great poet, a Bengali poet, Rabindranath Tagore. And this national anthem stands for the unity of our country, and it is sung in the national festivals. When this and the what should be the rule when the national anthem is sung? When the national anthem is sung, we should stand in a attention position to give respect to our nation. We are giving respect, so we should stand in a attention position, and it should be sung in a rhythm and very properly. The words should be pronounced very properly. Now next is national song. Our national song, that is Vande Matram. It was also written by a Bengali. Uh, he was Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, who wrote our national song. Now we are going to talk about our next national emblem, our national symbol, that is national emblem. It has been taken it has been taken from Ashoka's pillar at Sarnath. We have already learned that where is Ashoka's pillar? It is in Sarnath. When we did the chapter of art and architecture, it was I explained you that where is Ashoka's pillar. It is at Sarnath, and it has been taken from there. And this national emblem, you have seen it many times in the coins, in the notes, in the postcards, in the envelopes. It has been there in the national emblem, and everyone has seen also in the today. Everyone is going to see in the coin. You will be able to see the national emblem. And now let us see the description of our national emblem. This is, it has three lions, and the three lions are standing back to back. They are standing back to back, and but the three lion, there are four lions which are standing back to back, but only three lions can be seen, and one lion is not. It is hidden at the back, which is not visible to us. And this emblem has a base plate. It has a base plate, and in the base plate, in the middle of the base plate, we have a dharm chakra which has 24 spokes, as we have already learned that dharm chakra has 24 spokes. And in the right side we have a bull, and in the left hand side we have a horse, and this entire structure is sitting on a lotus, and the words have been written Satyamev Jayate. What does this word Satyamev Jayate means? It means truth alone triumphs. That means सच्चाई अकेले जीत जाती है. That is, truth alone triumphs. Now, this was the description of national emblem. Now, beside these, we have other national symbols also. That is our national bird, that is peacock, national animal, that is tiger, and national flower, that is lotus. There are 7 national symbols. They are major 7 national symbols we have talked today, and we have been described these 7 only in our in this Republic of India. We have been given these 7 national symbols, that is national flag, national anthem, national song, national emblem, national bird, national animal, and national flower. So thank you.